Hello students, welcome to the video series of programming in Python. In the last video, we had seen how to write a program in Python. Okay, so in this video, we will cover the further topics of the chapter. So today, I am going to discuss three topics. That is, first one is character set. Second topic is tokens, and third topic is keywords. So in this video, I will be describing these three topics. Okay. So first of all, we will see what is character set in Python. Or we will see what is character set. So basically, this is valid characters. Okay, valid characters which are recognized by Python language. Python language. Okay. So now here we have received seen valid characters. So what these characters could be? These could be alphabets. Okay. Then digits. Then special characters. And finally, white spaces. So this could be the valid characters in character set. Okay. So first of all, we will see alphabet. So under alphabets, what will come? A, B, C, up to Y, Z, or also small characters of ABCD. Okay, so under alphabets, these characters will come. Okay, next is digits. So 0, 1, 2 to 9. So under digits, all these will come. Okay. Now, if we talk about the characters, special characters, then under this different character will come, such as star, as, at the rate. Okay, whatever the special character we do have, all will come under this category. Left shift, right shift, etc. Okay, so all these are the special characters that will come under this. Okay, so next is white spaces. Under white spaces, blank space will come. Then horizontal tab. Okay, and new line. Okay, under this character set, or you can say character set, will have all these three characters. So under white spaces, blank space, horizontal tab, and new line, all these three will be there. Okay, next we will see about tokens. Okay, so basically tokens are the individual unit in a program. So what are these? These are the basically individual unit in a program. Okay. It is also known as lexical element or lexical unit. Okay. Tokens are further sub-categorized. Okay. So, what are those? We will see. First one is identifiers. Okay. Next one is keywords. Then we will have literals, and then we will have operators. And next, punctuations. Okay. So tokens are further subcategorized into identifiers, keywords, literals, operators, and punctuations. Okay. So all these are the topics that we will see one by one in further coming videos. So for here only we will see about this categorization. Okay. And the next thing is keywords. Okay. So here we will be covering one of the tokens. Okay, that is keywords. So what is this keywords? So basically in any programming language, either Python or C++, Java, keywords are reserved words. Reserved words in programming language. Okay. So here we have got one term, reserved words. So what do you mean by reserved word? So basically in any programming language, some words will be kept, or you can say used for some specific meanings and some specific purposes in order to get the output of the program. Okay. So there are the few words in which will be reserved for a specific purpose to use in a program. Okay. And next one is keywords are always written in lowercase. Okay. So whatever the keywords we do have in programming language, all those are written in lowercase. In Python, we have 33 keywords. Okay. And one point you need to also understand, these keywords cannot be used as identifiers. As I have mentioned, these are reserved words and these have some special meaning. Okay. So I will let you know the few of the keywords which are reserved in Python, okay, as well as other programming language also, and the complete list you can check it out in your book, okay, the table mentioned there. So keywords are false, true, none, if, else, okay, break, continue, etc. There are total 33 keywords in Python, okay. So we have covered all the three topics of today's video, okay. So if you have any sort of questions in your mind, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely reply to your query and I will clear your doubts, okay. So this is all about this video. Thank you.